First make a slip knot. Then make chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now slip stitch in the first chain to form a ring. Now work with first round. Make 1 chain and make 12 single crochet in the center of the circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So continue up to end. Now slip stitch in the top of chain. Now work with round 2. Make 3 chain and make 2 double crochet in the same stitch. 1 and 2. Make 2 double crochet in the next stitch. 1 and 2. Make 2 double crochet in the next stitch. 1 and 2. Make 2 double crochet in the next stitch. 1 and 2. So continue up to end. Now slip stitch in the top of chain. Now work with round 3. Make 1 chain and make 1 single crochet in the next double crochet stitch. Now in the next stitch, make 2 single crochet. 1 and 2. Make 1 single crochet in the next stitch. 1. Make 2 double crochet. Make 1 single crochet in the next stitch. 1 and 2. So 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, continue up to end. Now slip stitch in the very first single crochet. Now work with round 4, make 3 chain. These 3 chain count as 1 double crochet and make 2 chain again. These 2 chain count as 2 chain space. Skip 1 stitch and make 1 double crochet. Again make 2 chain. Skip 1 stitch and make 1 double crochet. Make 2 chain. Skip 1 stitch and make 1 double crochet. Make 2 chain. So continue this pattern up to end. Now make 2 chain and make slip stitch in the third chain. 1, 2 and 3. Now make slip stitch in the 2 chain space. Now work with round 5. Make 3 chain. These 3 chain count as 1 double crochet. Now make 4 double crochet in the same chain space. One, 2, 3 and 4. Now make the picot. Make 3 chain and slip stitch in the top of stitch. Again make 5 double crochet in the 2 chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Again make the picot. So make 3 chain. Now slip stitch in the top of stitch. Make 5 double crochet in the next chain space, then make picot. So make 3 chain and then slip stitch in the top of stitch. So continue up to end.